All right. So yes, when you wrote the blog, didn't you feel that you were expressing your opinion on a topic?
Yeah, I did feel that.
You're telling about what you think about something, right? So it's a conversational tone. Okay, you are telling what you think, not what things are. So how do you write definitions? Definitions is what things are, not what you think they are, right? So you have to remember this part of a blog always. It has a point of view of the author or the group of authors presented. It is not a neutral, uh, you know, post. Like an article can be neutral, it can be opinionated. A blog is always opinionated. It's not neutral.
True, yes.
Okay. These days, it is remarkably easy to start a blog and publish your ideas instantly on the web. Perhaps blog as a text type is so difficult to define because so many people write them for so many different reasons. What is a blog? The term blog comes from the words web and log. A log is an account of what happens as it happens. A log is written for future reference. It allows you to keep a record, look back, and reflect on something that has happened. So, what is very similar to a blog? What would people do when, before newspapers printing came out? What would people write? Their diaries, right?
Yeah.
They would write stuff in their diaries. So, isn't a blog quite similar to a diary?
Yes. Yes, it is.
What do you write in a diary? So, suppose September 17th, uh, I got up in the morning, was feeling very energetic. Then I did my English class, started feeling a bit lazy after that. Okay. I had to do a lot of homework today, was not in the mood, but I had to do it because responsibility is responsibility and homework is homework. After that, I went out in the evening to relax with some friends, hang out with some friends, and then came home at night, spent some time with dad and mom, and had dinner and went to sleep. Okay, that is one day ka update in a diary. So, in a diary, what would people generally write? They would write what happened to them that day. Okay, so a blog is kind of similar in nature to a diary in that angle. Where in a blog, you generally write about a topic on the day. Okay, not something in the past, not something in the future. You're talking about the present, generally. Okay, and when you revisit your blog, you will be able to see on that day what were your activities or what was your state of mind, just like you would in a diary. Okay.
Okay.
All right.